Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong zigama lambo inkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila emakhaya. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale ngicela ningisize ngento yodwa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, please ungakhohlwa ukungishare like on the video. Ngingabonga kakhulu futhi ngawenza umkhulu umehluko. Danko. Hayi. Ziyawa kusasa madoda. Hayi. Abayozwisa mabawe nazo. Abahambayo basendleleni baphephe baze bafike la bayakhona. Sizodla nje amaholiday wakhe ubani uzibandlela yakhe uzibandlela. Hopefully ukuthi wonke umuntu uzoba right kulo December size sibuye futhi siphelele ngoJanuary. Niyazi ke isematheni bekusakhulunywa nje manje ngasikudala ukuthi Tshegofatso Mabasa just removed the Orlando Pirates kwi bio yakhe ku Instagram. And that tells you ukuthi if a player behaves like that, surely he's guaranteed ukuthi team sekayitholile. And for many people obviously bayazitshelile ukuthi no, we are Kaizer Chiefs, of which I don't think so, because there was confirmed ukuthi there are teams in North Africa that are interested in him. And mawuthi uyabheka for a player like Tshegofatso Mabasa, that is a sniper inside the box. Obviously, give him feed, he will score goals for you. That's the thing I'm frustrated with Orlando Pirates, because he's not a starter. Mbutuma and Makgopa are starting ahead of him. So it simply means ukuthi it's not about being out of the coach's plans, but it's all about the input that you bring to the club. Because in the modern days, football has evolved in such a way that more we striker, we are not only supposed to be involved in scoring goals. That's the thing in Mshayo Mabasa, because many people they say he's lazy. He's always inside the box, but it doesn't help the team off the ball, whereby he has to try at least press and make sure our defenders are not playing their usual games, whereby he causes unsettlement in the center backs of the opposing team. And another thing, he doesn't drop deep to try and assist the team defend, hold up play, but he is only good when it comes to scoring. So he in because he did say coach Abdesalam Wadu no, he's a good player, but manje the way team yami is set up on a corner and the way I analyze my opponents, the strikers that I use, they are suitable for that kind of a match. But for Mabasa, kuzoba nzima. That's why ngazathi vele ngazathi intent Orlando Pirates ngathi akasayishanga ngayo. But lokho kuchaza only one thing. Obviously, for any player, it can be frustrating, especially after rejecting an offer to go and play for MC Alger and North Africa, Algeria, just because you wanted to break the record of a legend, a Pirate, Uto Vilakazi being the top goal scorer, and now you get limited game time. So it simply means kuti vele kuzoba nzima for you, because when you sacrificed, and nakanjani akekho umuntu esingasho ukuthi bekathi akayenze lo decision. It came out of his own will ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi break record bese ngizohamba. But manje izinto zenzeka kanje, there's still a chance ukuthi angaya ku MC Alger, especially uRulane. He's a huge admirer. Yinto yamenza ukuthi bangazwani kahle no Flemingberg, because beyafuna ukumletha kuye lapha yana eMamelodi Sundowns, but it didn't happen like that. That's why when nomlungisi naye wathola sekafakwa amatayera, nakhona no akafakwa amatayera kube na that altercation, and then what decide ukuthi hayi ithi ngibeke phansi intambo wa resign. But into esemqoka lana ukuthi he's being linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. So for Kaizer Chiefs, the real question is, do we really need Tshegofatso Mabasa? Can he help us in scoring goals? Because mawuthi uyabheka, he is a goal scorer, but for Chiefs, whereby ukuthi for now sesinenkinga of creativity, sesinenkinga of supply kuma strikers inside the box. For yena kuzoba nzima kakhulu, especially if you look at players like God's Power Ighodaro. He's one player that is not scoring much for Chiefs, but he does help the team with the off-the-ball movement, of which Mabasa is lacking. So for some strikers, if it is difficult for him and he becomes frustrated in the game, Gutaka fit, he makes himself busy by making sure ukuthi assist the team in defending, moving ama-defenders, making sure ukuthi at least he's involved in the build-up play for the club. But mawakazoya kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, I think uzosafara more than ku-Orlando Pirates. That's what I think ukuthi into ezoyenza ukuthi kube nzima for him, because mothi uyambheka yena, mbheke eboxini goal uyakwazi ukulinukelela, but besides ukuthi akore akukho akwenzayo ukuthi asize i-team. That's why even nanoma makumele abizwe kubafana bafana, nanoma kuthiwa i-top goal scorer, it becomes difficult. That's why even now no Reyners akabizwanga, because they need someone who can be able to sacrifice himself for the betterment of the club. That's the modern football. Ukuthi when you are dropper deep, when you are ukwazi ukumove ama-defenders, you are able ukuthi ukwazi ukubheka ukuthi okay, now the team needs me ukuthi ngidrop it deep so that I can be able ukuthi ngikwazi initiate that transition. I must have a good hold up play. But mawungenako lokho kusho kona ukuthi awuyisize ngalutho team, especially if ngeke uphinde ukore futhi. So for i-Kaizer Chiefs, I think ukuthi zingamkhalela kakhulu, because even uFlavio Silva naye so ukuthi usebenzisa ubuchule nobuchopololo bakhe ukuthi akwazi ukuzibeka kuma good scoring opportunities, and also akwazi ukudropa deep for a hold up play, and he's able ukuthi akwazi ukurana into ama spaces whereby ukuthi they allow him ukuthi akwazi ukukora ama goals. But for yena, I think if i-Kaizer Chiefs bese ikwazile ukuthi ithole i-creativity spark in the middle of the park, and that supply inside the box, nakanjani amagoli bazosithela. But another thing is net-tracking. We have Igodaro, we have Umayo, we have Dupree, we have Uduba, we have Maurice, we have Unaledi Hlongwane. So we have Luke Batman. Uyazibona zonke le striker. Ezinye zazo azigagabi even na 5 games on their belt ku league this season. So it shows about the competitiveness and also obunzima bokuthi ucrack in that starting 11 if you are not willing ukuthi ube i-team player. Yabona. So for uMabasa, it can be a good thing if angasayina ku Chiefs, but I don't see him succeeding in Turin, especially with the current crisis esinayo for manje. Kusesena players that are playing for his spotlight badlalela ama camera, so we can see ukuthi kusazoba nzinyana for him. But if management they see ukuthi hayi asimsigning, because everything that the Kaizer Chiefs does these days never ceases to amaze me, because they always do the unthinkable. So kuyobonakala sekuqoqo ngoba we'll never know. Maybe it might be a perfect replacement for a player like Tashreeq Morris, because Tashreeq Morris is one player I think with this season udlale nje just one game. I think nakhona udlale 3 minutes if not mistaken ukulaya Carling Cup, but you can see ukuthi he's not in the plans of the coaches, and for them into abangayenza even the club ukuthi bangambambezela bavele bamrelease so that angalithola enye club, because the way izinto zingakhona it seems like ukuthi he is the last option when it comes to ukuthi kube nama recommendations, when it comes to ukuthi ubani uzoqala ubani uzoba i-backup. So snake striking ngaka, and if ubazo eda noMabasa, so it simply means ukuthi Morris is likely to be the player ongahamba bese replace, because there's also another player that is linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. It was reported by Soccerbit ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs have ignited interest on signing Stephen Mukwala. He's a Ugandan. He's playing for AS, not the AS, but the Simba SC at Tanzania. And obviously Kaizer Chiefs iyasifuna le striker but azange isithole. But now it seems ngazathi Kaizer Chiefs isabona ukuthi okay, there are chances ukuthi singamsana. But one thing we have to focus on is that foreign quota and intamele sibheke contract yakhe. His contract is expiring 2027. So Kaizer Chiefs willing ukuthi bamkhiphe out of the contract, because one thing he will provide for us, that experience go interclub competitions, and also he's a lethal strike. But this season isn't as imhambele kahle, because ku Champions ku Champions League I think usadlale 2 games. So lokho kusho ukuthi there's a competition lapha no the striking force isayo iSimba SC. But for iKaizer Chiefs it will depend between Stephen Mukwala and ucheck uFatsho Mabasa. Nakhona uMabaso angiconfirm next ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs is interested, but there are links linking him with the Kaizer Chiefs. But for Stephen Mukwala, I'm certain because it was reported by Soccerbit ukuthi no, they are keen on ukuthi bamsign. So uthi ngibheke ku foreign quota, we have Lilepo, Miguel Mtwari, who's another player? Miguel Mtwari, Lilepo. Ubani omunye bafethu, because ngazathi bekuna 4 kuleya foreign quota. It's like ngathi bekuna 4, but now naba bangibalekele. Oh, Flavio Silva, the Kosi Flavor. Yeah, because uIgodari team ngazathi yena, but foreign quota kumelanga kube inkinga because isengasombululwa leyo nto leyo. But manje ke ikhosi into emele ifake emqondweni, it's either we choose the local player or siya out of the country, siya abroad, solanda someone that will provide us with something esingenayo, yabo. But I'm not certain mafethu, I'm not certain. Yiko nje engingakusho for now. Hopeful ukuthi nizo enjoy i16, kungalimali umuntu, nibe ni safe, drive safely, arrive alive if you travel. Don't drink and drive. Hayi, asivale kanjalo. You know the drill bafethu. Noma kungenzakani, no matter what, don't forget ukuthi ikhosi aliphela umoya, nanoma uphela sosebenzisa inkani. Danko.